Time once again for The Law and You, exclusively here on Eyewitness News. Joining us as always in the legal chairs, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, good to see you tonight.
Do you have a lot of viewers calling in about the weather?
Well, always. You know, everybody wants to sound off, but unfortunately there's nothing we can do about it except
well, you guys were right on the money as
turn
always.
the calendar.
You guys
right
have
on
a
the
nice
money.
weather team.
Thank you. Nothing
Very
we can
nice.
do about it until we get to about, say, May or so.
Yeah, no
All
kidding.
right. Here's our forecaster. Make that our question tonight. Carly in Shenandoah says, I was walking up a concrete ramp into the restaurant and the concrete was really worn by the weather. It looked like someone was hitting it with a sledgehammer. Well, I tripped in one of the damaged parts of the concrete and broke my arm. The owner says he is not responsible. So the issue here is the concrete may have been damaged like the storms we recently saw and a collection of them. So is the owner responsible for this damage?
Yeah, generally speaking, the owner of a business has an obligation and a responsibility to make the premises safe. That means both inside the restaurant and then getting into the restaurant as well. So the owner can't just say, oh, you know, boy, this was caused by the weather. They have an obligation to either warn somebody about this particular problem so that you can make, you know, go around it or enter the restaurant from a safer alternative, or they have to fix it. So, you know, the fact that the owner is saying it's not his responsibility, trying to put some blame on the weather, that's because the weather didn't cause this, you know, instantaneously. It would have taken time. So he's going to be on notice of the problem. So you definitely have a case.
Yeah, and sometimes just with those cases, like when you have a business owner in a commercial building, you got to make sure you have the right owner. So sometimes the business owner may not be the property owner, but at the end of the day, you didn't do anything wrong. You encountered this. It should have been maintained. It should be safe. They know people are coming in and out. I think they have a good case.
All right, how can people contact you if they want some legal advice?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or you can tweet us. You can Snapchat. We're still waiting for the first Snapchat question. Facebook, any of those, put them on there. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night, guys.
Take it easy.
Thank you.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always there for you.